Today we're going to open 2 packs of the 1990 Score football. This is Series 1. Pack number 1. Let's see what we can find in here. Get it open. Alright, let's see what we got. Hey, Dan Marino right off the bat. Alright. Quarterback. Eddie Murray, kicker. James Dixon, Cowboys. Oh, looky here. What we got? Super Bowl trivia. Alright. See what this does here. Super Bowl trivia. Who holds the record for the longest kickoff return in Super Bowl history? Rick Upchurch, Fulton Walker, Larry Anderson, Billy Camfield. Well, the answer's down there, but I'm not going to tell you. Marion Butts. One of your great fullbacks. Steve Atwater. Rookie, Pat Terrell. 1990 rookie, Pat Terrell. Free safety. All right. Hot gun, Joe Montana, when he's with the 49ers. Woo! Ground Force, James Brooks. Robert Clark. Pack number 2. This is Series 1 too, by the way. Series 1. We got some Series 2 up there, I think. Go check them out. Reggie Roby, one of your big kickers. Punters, yeah. Christian Okoye. Alright. Nigerian Nightmare, I think he was. Something like that. Willie Anderson. Steve Young. Alright. Quarterback. There's another one of your Super Bowl trivias. I like the way those do that. See what he says here. What player fumbled the most times in one Super Bowl? Craig Morton, Terry Bradshaw, Roger Staubach, Joe Namath. Ha ha ha. I think you're going to find that's probably Roger Staubach. Ken O'Brien. Jets quarterback. Keith Woodside. Dalton Hilliard. Saints running back. Rodney Holman. 1990 rookie Mohamed Elawambi. Ooh. '90 rookie Cortez Kennedy. All right. He went on to be a good one. Shane Conlon. Here are some of the better cards pulled out of these packs. If you think I missed any, leave me a comment. Let me know. I'll be glad to hear it. Got more coming. Baseball, football, basketball, maybe even some hockey. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss any. If you can, please help support this channel. You can send unopened packs or anything else you'd like for me to video and get up here. And if you'd rather, you can send a donation. There's links in the description below. All help's appreciated. And we'll see you next time.